Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is going to be a quick video how to just upgrade your blade to the StyleCraft Faper blade. I read online it's just easier to remove that bulk line, so I went ahead and purchased it. You're just going to start by removing the screws and then removing that moving blade as well. Clean everything out. I promised my blade was clean, but I had a haircut right before this, so I had to do this right away. I'm just show you what the difference is right there. But yeah, so I had to clean it. Always clean your blades, always clean your tools. Just make sure it's sanitary. And then right here, you see me cleaning the moving blade stand. It did not fit, so I had to resort to putting the JRL moving blade back on here. I thought when they said replace them, I thought they meant both of them, but apparently they only meant that blade right there. So it is a lot thinner. It does feel a little bit lighter, but I put the moving blade back and then I put the new Faper blade on there, just put the screws back in place, screwed everything up. The hardest part about this would be the alignment. You want to make sure it's not too sharp. So I tested on my skin always before using it on a client, and you can see my JRLs, they are blinking red because it was dead. So hopefully you guys learned something.